Today, I tell facts. Fact number uno. This is a seagull. This is life. Seagull plus life equals this amazingness. I honestly don't know what I'm doing at this point. I ran out of photos to show, or whatever you want to call it. So this is what life is now. Deal with it. Welcome to our amazing YouTube channel. Hello. Here we love seagulls, and seagulls are cool.
I'm working on our mascot. I'm working on him right now, and he's turning out beautiful.
So yeah, just if you want to see amazingness like this every day, subscribe, and we try to post daily. So yeah, back to the facts. Fact number 2. Seagulls are great. This is a breaded seagull. This is a seagull stealing your ice cream. This is a derpy seagull. And this is an angry seagull. And this is Siri. She's kind of stupid. And this is Alan the seagull, our best friend and our mascot. You'll pretty much see him in all our videos. Siri says goodbye.